Hey everybody, Easy Amateur Radio here, and today I've got a stack of new to me radios. I got all these. I have told you about my love for the UV Pro and the VGC N67 and N65 series HTs. Well, right here I have a bundle of VGC radios that we're going to take a look at today. So the first one up top is a VGC N7500. It is a 50 watt dual band. I believe it is APRS capable and kind of everything you want. Headless unit. And we'll talk about why I wanted these headless units to begin with coming up. Alright, so right here, this is a funky little dude. Pretty cool, right? Looks just like an HT. It's got an HT USB-C charger battery on it. But in reality, this is the BH78 by VGC. This is a Bluetooth handheld controller for these N75s. So you don't have to connect it to your phone. You can connect it to this and operate the radio remotely, which is pretty darn cool. Not to mention it just looks good and funky, fits right in your hand. Look forward to talking about that and using that. VGC is on the cutting edge, in my opinion, of radios and what exactly accessorizes them in 2025. Now this right here is the BMH79. What this is a Bluetooth microphone for the 7500 and new 7600, which I don't have in front of me. This is a Bluetooth microphone where you can talk PTT away from the radio, no cables. So if I wanted to mount this under the seat away from everything, boom, Bluetooth mic, talk to it, set this on the console, done and done. Pretty snazzy, not gonna lie, big fan of that. And then this is the VGC N7500 in the box that I purchased from somebody. I did buy this used, and here we go. There it is with the mobile mounting bracket. These radios are at one time were about $280. You can get them on the used market. I got this bundle with this radio, this microphone, and this microphone used for $200. Pretty good. But the real deal that I think I got was this radio by itself, no mounting bracket, no documentation, anything like that, for $60. That's a heck of a deal in my opinion. Here we have what looks to be a programming cable or something. Yeah, programming cable. I'll have to look and see. That's definitely homemade. Somebody made that. Yeah, that's what that's going to be. A digital programming cable or microphone cable. And then here is the stock factory mic. I'm a big fan of the way these mics feel. You know, not really super big on the look, but they actually, especially if you're right-handed, going for that PTT button is pretty sweet. And then an up and down channel, up and down button. Boom, 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 boom. That's pretty innovative right there. Anything else cool in the box? This goes on the back of the microphone. Boom. Now it's a magnet. Now it magnets to stuff. I don't have anything magnetic on the workbench that I know of. So we'll set the radio here and boom. Magnet. Pretty sweet. Big fan. There we go. Magnet. Big fan of that. Big fan. All right. So we're going to, each one of these devices and trinkets and thingamabobbers and thingamajigs is going to get their own video. But I just wanted to show you what this looks like, what's going to be coming up. This is a VGC Hall modern ham radio equipment, in my opinion. 73 guys, Easy Amateur Radio. Look for more reviews on this and each one of these trinkets and doodads. 73.